Now, this is the latest from Ramdev's entire brand camp, because now Ramdev is coming ahead after the FMCG sector to come out with their own jeans. Well, you heard it right. Yoga Guru Baba Ramdev's Patanjali Group will now launch Swadeshi jeans, venturing into the garments industry. Catering to high demand from youth, Patanjali Group has decided to launch this Indianized jeans to compare with foreign brands. The line may be called Paridhan. Baba Ramdev has rigorously pushed Swadeshi by promoting indigenous natural products to bring economic independence to the country. He has been touted as the FMCG guru for raking up around 9,000 crore of an empire with his FMCG products. Take a listen to what Ramdev's Swadeshi pitch of jeans is all about.
ऐसे ही हम जो है पैंट का स्वदेशीकरण करेंगे, वेशभूषा का स्वदेशीकरण, शर्ट का स्वदेशीकरण, एडिडास, नाइकी और पता नहीं प्यूमा जो भी है स्पोर्ट्स में भी और बहुत से हैं.
Well, you can expect the unexpected from Ramdev, but here's also what the social media is saying. With Twitter going viral, what kind of jeans could Ramdev be launching under the Swadeshi brand name? This is what somebody posted, saying it could be a Sanskari jean, which is Patanjali jeans. He's yet to launch the design, but this is what the social media is saying. Not only that, you have Baba Ramdev presents Patanjali herbal umbrella, as somebody posted, could be the next offering from Patanjali's table. Next, you have Baba Ramdev presents Patanjali herbal raincoat made of bamboo and leaves. So Twitter going completely crazy over what could be the next offer in garments segment by Patanjali. And Baba Ramdev presents Patanjali 100% Ayurvedic swords made of coconut. Well, this is how Twitter is also saying. Baba Ramdev presents 100% Ayurvedic Patanjali Hot Wheels range for kids. So will that be the next for Baba Ramdev or not, remains to be seen. But here at the newsroom, we're also having a lot of fun as Baba Ramdev goes into the next product line for his Patanjali group. And what else could be the ideas that are bouncing off from the news desk here for Baba Ramdev? Let's go across to Ishita first. Ishita, what is the product that you like to see from Baba Ramdev's table?
Because I am a bit fat, so I would like to bring in some natural element by which I can reduce weight. So I would want
A weight loss pill. A weight loss
pill.
herbal weight loss pill from Ramdev. What about you?
Why only jeans? Why not t-shirts and shirts and dresses? So I would want more clothes.
So more clothes, more jeans and t-shirt. But here is Shobik, morning show's producer. You don't see him on air that often, but he is willing to buy the first Ramdev jeans that come in stock. Why is that, Shobik?
I love Ramdev products. Whatever people say, they're amazing products, and I don't mind wearing a Ramdev jeans. But what's wrong with that thing? If some other FMCG comes with the jeans, then we are fine with that thing. And what's wrong with the Ramdev? I'll buy it. I'm going to buy it.
And we have another offering from Vishnu here. Vishnu, what is the product that you're looking for?
Well, he doesn't have mineral water yet, so I think that would be a good place for him to go to.
And a Mundu?
A Mundu, of course.
Baba Ramdev printed Mundu could be the next in line after jeans.
Very
Why
easily.
not? Why not? Thanks so much, Vishnu, for joining us. So, well, there you go. More ideas bouncing off as Baba Ramdev goes across with Swadeshi jeans pitch for the youngsters. We take a very short